अनम्यूट कर दो क्या? Okay. Now listen. Today we are going to study physiography divisions of India. Okay. In our last lecture, we have seen some basic information about India and Brazil. Okay. In this lecture, we are going to start physiographical division of India only. Okay. It means that whatever divisions are there in India, okay, all these divisions we are going to study step by step, starting with the Himalaya up to island group in India. Okay, so now listen, it's meant that today we are going to start our lecture, okay, from the head part of India, okay, up to what? Lakes of India. Okay, from northern part to what? Southern part we are moving respectively. Okay. So now listen, today our first physiographical division of India is what? The Himalaya. Now as you know that, okay, world highest peak, okay, Mount Everest is located in Himalaya. Okay. Himalaya is considered as the honor and shield of India because India is protected, okay, from some bad elements, okay, by Himalayan mountain. It plays the role of what? Shield for entire India. Okay. Now listen, before studying the division of Himalaya, okay. Now Himalaya, as I told you, Himalaya is what? Cold mountain. Okay. It formed because of what? Fold on the land. Okay, due to somewhat internal movement. Okay. Means number of scientists have what different opinion, okay, behind the formation of Himalaya. Okay. Now listen, in our last prayer, I explained to you, okay, Himalaya is spread, okay, up to what? Arunachal Pradesh of India. Okay. It starts from what? Jammu in India up to what? Arunachal Pradesh in India. Okay. Himalaya spread, okay, in the area of 2,400 kilometers. This is what? Area occupied by Himalaya. Now, Himalaya is not a single mountain. Okay. In Himalaya, there are number of what? Ranges. But in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the four major ranges of Himalaya, which are located in India, okay, and respectively Nepal, Bhutan, and China. Okay. So first, this point you have to note down. Okay. The length of Himalaya is what? 2,400 kilometers. Okay. Second point, Himalaya is not a single mountain. Okay. It is formed, okay, out of what? Number of ranges. Okay. Now listen the name Himalaya. Okay. What? Himalaya. Now what this word itself indicate, do you know? Now him means what, do you know? Glaciers. Okay, ice. And Laya means what? House. Means Himalaya is a storehouse of what? Ice. Okay. हिम म्हणजेच काय माहिती ना, संस्कृत मधनं हिम म्हणजेच बर्फ. ओके. आणि लया म्हणजेच काय माहिती ना, घर. ओके. म्हणजेच हिमालय कसं स्टोर हाऊस आहे, ते कसं घर आहे, की जे कशाने बनलंय माहितीये ना, ज्या ठिकाणी पूर्ण हिम आहे. हिम म्हणजे काय? बर्फ आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. आणि म्हणून इंडिया, नॉर्थ इंडियामध्ये ज्या मेजर रिव्हर्स आहेत, या सर्व रिव्हर कुठून फ्लो करतात माहिती ना, हिमालयामधनं फ्लो करतात. आणि लास्टली ते कुठे जाऊन मिळतात? बे ऑफ बेंगॉल. ओके. This is just what basic information about Himalaya. Now in this lecture, we are going to study some important ranges, okay, which represent to Great Himalaya. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first range. Okay, now we are moving from what? South to east. Okay, south to east ranges of Himalaya. Okay, लक्षात ठेवा, आपण काय करतोय माहिती ना, साऊथ कडनं नॉर्थ कडे जातोय. ओके. म्हणजे नाव लिसन सिक्वेन्स. Okay, the order of ranges from what? South to north. Okay, now first, the southernmost range of Himalaya, southern part of Himalaya. Okay, the first range in Himalaya is what? Shivalik. Okay, now yesterday I told you, okay, it spread from what? Pamir Knot. But Pamir Knot is not located in India. It located in Tajikistan. Okay. Actually, Tajikistan is not a part of India. Okay. And in this lesson, we are just going to study the part of Himalaya which is existed in the border, okay, of India. First, Shivalik. First range is what? Shivalik range. This is the first range, okay. The name of this range is Shivalik. First range, Shivalik. This is first range of Himalaya Shivalik. Okay. Now we are moving from south to what? North. From Kashmir up to what? Arunachal Pradesh. These ranges are what? Spread in India. Second range of Himalaya is Lesser Himalaya. These ranges are parallel to each other. All these ranges are parallel to each other. Second range is what? Lesser Himalaya. Third range of Himalaya is Greater Himalaya. All the major peaks are located in what? Greater Himalaya. And this Greater Himalaya is called in local name as what? Himadri. The local name, okay, Indian name Himadri. इंडियामध्ये जे ग्रेटर हिमालय ते हिमाद्री या नावाने काय माहिती आहे ना फेमस लक्षात ठेवा. नो वन कॉल इज व्हाट ग्रेटर हिमालय एव्हरीवन कॉल इज व्हाट हिमाद्री. So listen, these are three major ranges of Himalaya, okay, which are located in India, okay, as well as Bhutan, Nepal, and China. Actually, Himalaya is located in listen Afghanistan, okay, Myanmar, okay, and Tajikistan. Everest is also located into what? Greater Himalaya means what? Himadri. It is located on the border of Nepal and China. Okay, border of Nepal and China. Okay. Now after that, Trans Himalaya. Okay. लक्षात ठेवा की ट्रान्स यानंतर खूप सारे रेंजेस आहेत. Okay. But these ranges, the length of these ranges are what? Not too much what? Large. Okay. They are extended up to what? Very limited area. Okay. That is why we are only going to study three major ranges of Himalaya. Okay. Respectively, Shivalik. Okay. The southernmost range of Himalaya is what? Shivalik. After Shivalik, Lesser Himalaya. After Lesser Himalaya, what? Greater Himalaya means Himadri. Okay. All Indian rivers, okay, northern Indian rivers are originated from Shivalik, as well as Himadri. Okay, because it is what? Big storehouse of what? Glacier. Okay, due to the melt of glacier, what happen every year? Okay, the rivers of North India are what? Perennial rivers means what? They flow throughout the year in northern part of India. They flow from northern part and they comes where? Into Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now how they flow toward Bay of Bengal, that we are going to study afterward. Okay. When we are going to study what? North Indian plain, the Gangetic Indian plain. Okay. So first of all, this is what? Just basic information about Himalaya. Okay, three major ranges. Okay, Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, and Shivalik. Okay, means from south to north. First Shivalik, Lesser Himalaya, and Greater Himalaya means what? Himadri in India. Okay. Now this is what parallel. Okay. This is what south to west division of what ranges. South to west division of ranges. Now west to east ranges are classified as south to north, Shivalik, Lesser Himalaya, and Greater Himalaya. As well as these ranges are given different name as per the area from what west. Now I hope you got this point. Okay. Now listen, division of same ranges. Okay, from west to east. Okay, on the same map. On the same map, as we divide these ranges, okay, the name of these ranges are given some local names. Okay, for example, from this part means in Jammu and Kashmir, these ranges in Jammu and Kashmir, okay, from here up to here, okay. Now you can see shades of red color. Okay, this red color portion, okay, of Himalaya in India called as Kashmir Himalaya. Okay, red color zone is called as Kashmir Himalaya from west to east. Okay, in previous time what we seen south to north. Okay, now west to east. Okay, western part of Himalaya which is located in Kashmir is called Kashmir Himalaya. Okay, from Kashmir Himalaya, okay, to the border of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this red portion, this portion of Himalaya, okay, from border of Jammu and Kashmir to what? Border of Arunachal Pradesh. This portion is called Central Himalaya. Okay, which Himalaya? Central Himalaya. This part is called Kashmir Himalaya. Okay, and the portion which is located in Arunachal Pradesh. The portion which is located in Arunachal Pradesh, this portion is called as Arunachal Pradesh Himalaya. Okay, which Arunachal Pradesh Himalaya, this portion. Okay, this is what division of Himalaya. Okay, west to east division of Himalaya. Okay, once again, okay, let's review this point. Okay, as we move from south to north, okay, the first range is Shivalik. Second range is what? Lesser Himalaya. And third range is what? Greater Himalaya. Here you can find K2. K2 is what? Highest peak in our India. Okay. Which is located in Karakoram range. Okay. In Jammu and Kashmir. Karakoram range. As I told you, there are number of ranges of Himalaya. Okay. But we are just going to study what? Some major ranges of Himalaya in this lesson, in this part. Next, west to east, as you know, Kashmir Himalaya, Central Himalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh Himalaya. Okay, this is about what? Himalaya. Next point, North Indian Plains. North Indian Plains. Okay, North Indian Plains. Okay, this entire portion. Now you can find patterns of line, yellow color patterns of line. This patterns of line is occupied by what? Himalaya. Okay, here you can find Himalaya. Okay, now North Indian plains. Okay, second, North Indian plains. All this information you can find in your textbook. But now I am not using textbook because it is important to understand geography with the help of map. Okay, this information you can read the PDF which I have sent you. Now second division of India is North Indian plain. Now this North Indian plain is also called with a local name is what? Indian Gangetic Plains. Okay, the name is what? Huge plain which spread into what? Huge border of India. Now let me locate part of North India. Okay, North Indian plains. Now listen, here you can find, okay, North Indian plain. Okay. Now listen here, I have used cross. Okay. This cross indicates what? North Indian plain. Okay, this all portion is North Indian plain. But here you can notice that, okay, one portion I have shown with the help of what? Red shade. Okay, red mark. This red mark is what? Arauli mountain. This is what? Arauli mountain, which is located in Rajasthan. Okay, and this portion, okay, from upward to what? Green line. Westward to what? Green line. This portion is what? The Great Desert of Rajasthan. Which desert? Great Desert of Rajasthan. Okay. Now this desert is also divided into two parts. Okay. Let's start. North Indian Plain. Now listen, North Indian Plain is located between Himalaya, okay, and Peninsular. Now listen here. Yellow portion is a part of Himalaya. Okay. This yellow portion is what? Total part of Himalaya. Okay. And here you can find the cross. This cross indicates what? The spread of North Indian plain. Okay. Now here in North Indian plain, I have divided it into two parts. Okay. This is what? First part, and this one is what? Second part. First part is what? North Indian plain, and second part having consist of what? Two parts, sub part. First part, the Thar desert, okay, and Punjab and Haryana plain. Okay. Now this information I am going to explain step by step. Okay. This division lies between Himalaya mountain in the north and the peninsula in the south. आता पहा या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला दिसतंय की हा जो पोर्शन मी कलर रे त्या ठिकाणी क्रॉस केलेला आहे तो पोर्शन दोन पार्टच्या मध्ये येतोय लक्षात ठेवा. एक म्हणजे येलो पार्ट आहे आणि एक म्हणजे काय व्हाईट पार्ट दिसतो तुम्हाला हा पार्ट पूर्ण व्हाईट. ओके. तर हा जो व्हाईट पार्ट दिसतो तुम्हाला खालती हा पूर्ण पार्ट व्हाईट पार्ट हे काय माहितीये ना इंडियन पेनिन्सुला. ओके. आता पेनिन्सुला काय असतं हे आपण नंतर बघणार लक्षात ठेवा. आणि सुरुवातीला आपल्याला काय बघायचंय की नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेन. ओके. नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेनचे दोन डिव्हिजन झालेले आहेत त्या ठिकाणी. ओके. फर्स्ट Indian plain itself means what? Ganga plain. Okay. Second what? Thar desert means what? The desert of Rajasthan. Okay. Here again, the desert of Rajasthan is divided into two parts. Okay. First, desert itself, and second what? Punjab and Haryana plains. Okay. It extends from Rajasthan and Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Here listen. This is what? Assam. This is Assam. Okay. From Punjab. Okay. Here you can see Punjab. Okay. And just downside here, Haryana. Here again, you can see Delhi. Now listen, second, the first picture, North Indian plain is located in between Himalaya region and peninsular region. Okay. This white portion is what? Peninsular, and this yellow portion is what? Portion of Himalaya. Now the slope of North Indian plain is eastward. Okay. Now this direction is what? Eastward. The slope of peninsular, the slope of North Indian plain is toward eastward. That is why all the river which flow on North Indian plain finally merge into what? Bay of Bengal. Okay, now where is Bay of Bengal located? This is what? Bay of Bengal. Okay, it is water body. Okay, means all the rivers which flow from North Indian plain finally meets to Bay of Bengal. It means that you can say the flow, the slope of North Indian plain is toward what? East. म्हणजेच आपण एकत्र असं म्हणू शकतो की नॉर्थ इंडियन जे प्लेन आहे याचा स्लोप कुठे आहे माहिती ना ईस्टवर्ड आहे ह्या डायरेक्शनने. ओके. आणि तो फ्लो या डायरेक्शन असल्यामुळे सर्व ज्या रिव्हर आहेत okay north indian plain one river okay even ganga and brahmaputra all these rivers okay meets to Bay of Bengal. Now North Indian plain is considered as one of the fertile land okay in the world. Why it is? Because this land, this plain is formed due to sediments which brought by river. Because most of the major rivers in India are located on North Indian plain. North Indian plain consists of Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, some part of MP, okay, Delhi, Arunachal Pradesh, okay, downside of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, okay, this part, West Bengal, okay. this state, okay, into that state, North Indian plain is what? Located. Now, next feature of North Indian plain is now into eastward of North Indian plains, there is a basin of Ganga River. Now listen, Ganga is a river which having number of tributaries. Okay, गंगा जी रिव्हर आहे त्याला खूप साऱ्या काय माहिती ना ट्रिब्युटरीज उपनद्या आहेत लक्षात आणि उपनद्या असल्यामुळे गंगेचा गंगा जी रिव्हर आहे याचा वॉटर फ्लो एकदम काय माहिती आहे ना एकदम लार्ज असा वॉटर फ्लो आहे आणि वॉटर फ्लो जेवढा लार्ज असेल तेवढं सेडिमेंट डिपॉझिशन कॅपॅसिटी खूप काय असते माहिती जास्त असते ओके ऍज अ रिझल्ट what happened you know North Indian plain is what formed. Now listen, the part which is lying toward the eastward of Aravalli mountain. Now where is Aravalli mountain? This is what Aravalli mountain. This red command indicates what Aravalli mountain. Aravalli mountain, which is located in Rajasthan. Now listen, in the west of Aravalli mountain, Thar desert is located. Okay, this portion is covered with what? Sand. Total sand is there. Okay, it is unfertile area. It is arid area of India. Okay, and Thar desert is seventh largest desert. Okay, in the world. Seventh largest desert in the world. Now listen, this part is a deserted part. Okay. Now you may have question, okay, why this part of India is a deserted part? So there are two reasons. First, this area is what? Rain coordinator area, means rain shadow area. Okay. Due to what? Aravalli mountain. Because whatever monsoon winds came, these monsoon winds are obstacles by Aravalli mountain. As a result, the west side of Rajasthan experienced less than 150 मिलीमीटर रेनफॉल या ठिकाणी फक्त 150 मिलीमीटर जेव्हा रेनफॉल काय होतो माहिती ना फॉल होतो आणि ज्या एरियामध्ये 150 मिलीमीटर रेनफॉल फॉल होईल त्या ठिकाणी लाईफ एक्झिस्ट करणं खूप काय असतं माहिती डिफिकल्ट असतं ओके दॅट इज वाय दिस पार्ट इज व्हॉट deserted part. Okay, in India, this part is called as a Thar desert and Marusthali. Okay, now Maru means what do you know? Maru म्हणजेच काय माहिती ना वाळू आणि स्थळी म्हणजेच काय जागा म्हणजेच अशी जागा की जी वाळूने काय माहिती ना कव्हर झालेली आहे मरुस्थळी ओके इन इंडिया दिस डेझर्ट इज कॉल्ड बाय थ्री नेम फर्स्ट द ग्रेट डेझर्ट ऑफ राजस्थान ओके सेकंड द डेझर्ट ऑफ थार ओके अँड थर्ड मरुस्थली ओके त्यामुळे त्याला तीन नावाने आपण बोलतो दॅट थ्री नेम्स आय हॅव एक्सप्लेन टू यू now listen third important feature of North Indian plain. Okay, to the east of North Indian plain, you can find there is a confluence of two major rivers. Okay, confluence of two major rivers. First of all, let me explain what is meant by confluence. Here, the confluence is a place where two rivers are meet. Okay, that is what Sangam of the river. Okay, meeting point of the river means what? Confluence. Now listen, Ganga river originated from here. It flow on North Indian plain. Okay, and it meets to what? Bay of Bengal. Now before meeting to Bay of Bengal, okay, from this side again river Brahmaputra flows. Okay, and Brahmaputra from Bangladesh it meets to what? Ganga river. And here what form do you know? Here you can find the world biggest delta. That is what? Sundarban Delta. Now listen, why the name delta is given here? Because delta having the shape of what? Triangular shape. Okay. तर पहा या ठिकाणी जगाचा सर्वात मोठा जो डेल्टा आहे सुंदरबन डेल्टा तो फॉर्म होतो. ओके. Now half of the part is located in India and half of the part of Sundarban Delta is located in Bangladesh. Okay. It is located on the border of Bangladesh and West Bengal. Okay. It is one of the states of India. Okay. Stay connected. Stay connected for next session. Stay connected for next session.